What if I told you that for around $80 you could get a smartwatch with a stunning AMOLED display, advanced AI features, pro-level GPS tracking with maps, and battery life that lasts almost a week? You would probably think that I was talking about a premium watch. I'm talking about this. Amazfit Bip 6. I've made a video before about my top 5 reasons to buy this, but today I want to reframe that. This isn't just a good watch for the price. I genuinely believe this is the absolute best budget smartwatch you can get right now. And I have come to this conclusion after reviewing a lot of other smartwatches this year. So the question is why? Because at its $80 price point, the Bip 6 gives you almost 90% of the features you would find in Amazfit's more premium multi-$100 watches. And the best part, it keeps getting better. So let's dive into why this watch is punching so far above its weight. The very first thing you'll notice is the display. And honestly, it's my favorite part. We're talking about a massive 1.97-inch AMOLED panel. It is just beautiful. And it has a 2000 nits peak brightness, which is insanely bright. And by the way, Amazfit Balance 2, which is a $300 smartwatch, also has the same peak brightness. You can see it perfectly even in direct sunlight. Plus, it has auto brightness, so it adjusts according to the environment. The watch faces you can get from the Zepp app are information dense, vibrant, and just look gorgeous. But a great display doesn't mean much if the body is cheap. Compared to Amazfit Active 2, which is a stainless steel body, it has stood the test of time, whereas Amazfit Active 2 body, as you can see here, is all scratched up. So Bip 6 has held up significantly better, making it a reliable daily driver that doesn't feel fragile. This is maybe the most important point, but when you buy a budget smartwatch, you usually assume what you see is what you get, but not here. Amazfit has continued to support the Bip 6 with meaningful software updates, which is fantastic to see. It's now running on Zepp OS 5, which is a huge upgrade. That update alone brought in features like the jet lag manager, which gives you advice on sleep and light exposure when you travel, a feature usually seen in high-end devices. And just recently, another update dropped that added advanced running metrics like vertical oscillation and ground contact time, the ability to take screenshots directly on the watch, and optimized workout controls like wrist raise unlock and reminders for jump rope and workouts. This commitment to evolution is what separates it from the competition. Of course, you still get the incredible AI features it launched with. You have Zepp Flow, powered by OpenAI, which acts as your personal assistant for setting reminders, answering questions, or replying to messages. And there is also a dedicated offline voice assistant that allows you to control several features of the watch with your voice. If you're into fitness, this is where the Bip 6 just blows the competition away. It has a built-in GPS supporting 5 satellite systems. This gives you the super accurate tracking for your runs and rides. You can load GPX files and maps onto the watch through the Zepp app and see your route right on your wrist. That's a pro feature. Then you have the health metrics. You get one tap measuring for your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and breathing rate all at once. It tracks over 140 workout modes, has automatic workout detection, and lets you create custom workout templates through the Zepp app. When you compare the health data accuracy of this watch with some other high-end watches like Galaxy Watch Ultra or Galaxy Watch Classic, it comes out with flying colors. The heart rate, sleep tracking, or even step tracking is pretty accurate. Overall, Amazfit is delivering incredible value here. Moving on, I want to talk about the ecosystem that Amazfit is building here. The Bip 6 isn't just an isolated gadget, it's your entry into the entire Zepp ecosystem. When you connect to the Zepp app, you unlock the Zepp App Store. There are tons of useful apps, including third-party apps for popular apps like Spotify, that lets you access your music. You also get a huge library of watch faces, both free and paid, to make that beautiful display your own. And the quality of watch faces is absolutely magnificent. Sometimes I feel that it is even better than what you get on the Wear OS. And that's not all. It also has offline music storage. You can download music directly to the watch, connect your Bluetooth headphones to it, and go for a run while leaving your phone at home. Again, this is a premium feature that has no business being on an $80 watch. But here it is. Finally, let's talk about the battery. This is the feature that will make you never want to go back to a watch with a 1 or 2 day battery life. It has a 340 mAh battery. Now, Amazfit claims up to 14 days of typical use, but I am a heavy user. I have the always on display enabled, 24/7 health tracking, and I use it for workouts and sleep. Even with the heavy use, I am consistently getting 5 to 6 full days of battery life. Amazfit's heavy use claim is 6 days, so they are spot on. Once you get used to charging your watch just once a week, going back to a device you have to charge every single night feels like a chore. The charging is also super simple with a magnetic USB-C puck. You can carry it around with you even if you're traveling and just use your phone's USB-C cable to charge your watch, which is actually a convenience. So let's recap. For around $80, the Amazfit Bip 6 gives you a gorgeous, bright, and durable AMOLED display, an evolving operating system that just keeps getting better, pro-level fitness tracking with 5 satellite GPS and maps support, a full ecosystem with an app store and offline music playback, and monster battery battery life that lasts almost a full week with heavy use. This is what I mean when I say you're getting 90% of the premium Amazfit experience for a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for a new smartwatch and you're on a budget, or even if you're not, the Amazfit Bip 6 isn't just a good option. It is, without a doubt, the best budget smartwatch you can get. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions about the Bip 6, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hype the video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.